Alright guys, I got a 2013 Honda Odyssey. I believe it's an EX. Yes, EX. It has the power doors. But it is a cloth EX. No sunroof, no entertainment. So it's kind of the, base model EX. It's got alloys. But this thing has 250,000 miles, y'all. 13 with 250. And when I say this thing is in great condition, I mean, it is, spotless. Well, I'm finding some great cars today, man. There are some nice trade-ins down here. I know most people prefer the leather over the cloth, but dude, when you find one that's in good shape and has been well maintained, it hadn't been beat on, it's got Michelin tires, the body's not beat up, the interior's not trashed, and it's a trade-in back to the Honda dealership, Oh man, lots of power. Transmission shifts good cold AC. Man, this thing's nice. I like this thing. Nice van. Let's get a little walk around. This thing's a beauty. And 250,000 miles, and I mean, it is just as strong and runs just as smooth as the day it was new. Oh, we do have a tear right there, don't we? Okay. The power doors opened for me earlier. Let's see. Okay, doors are locked. No wonder. Okay, so this has got kind of like the bench with the removable center. But look at these seats. These things hadn't been beat to piss with kids. I mean, they probably had kids, but they respected the van. Most of these things are completely just ass whipped. I mean, knee deep in Michelin rubber. Knee deep. Yep, trade in back at the Honda dealership. Good looking van, ain't it? With that high miles, I'm guessing $5,000 maybe, 5,500, especially since it's a cloth model. But it's in good shape, it's clean. I'll probably pull a Carfax on it. I'm sure it's got great service history. And that's the stuff that's important. I want to look and see when the last timing belt was done. This thing should have had at least 2 timing belts. Oh, got the backup camera. That's good. So I can see where I'm going. I like it. She's a nice one. Not a lot of features on this one, but it's got the power slide doors. And, it's got alloys, so at least they ain't got those cheap-looking plastic hubcaps like the LXs do. I like it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. 2013 Honda Odyssey with 246,000 miles. They'll go the distance. Peace.